Kate Rubins will soon be saying goodbye to our blue planet and hello to the International Space Station. NASA announced that the Astronaut is the newest addition to the Expedition 63-64 crew and is scheduled to launch on a 6-month mission from Kazakhstan on October 14th. But this isn't her first rodeo. The NASA astronaut completed her first spaceflight in 2016 as part of the Expedition 48-49 crew. She spent 115 days on the ISS and completed 2 spacewalks for a combined 12 hours and 46 minutes. As if that weren't impressive enough, Rubins is also the first person to ever sequence DNA in space. This time around, she'll work alongside her cosmonaut crewmates to conduct hundreds of experiments, which include studying laser-cooled atoms for future quantum sensors in NASA's Cold Atom Lab. Rubins will also work on a cardiovascular experiment building on research from her previous mission.